Okay, so here we are, and it looks like we've been told to come off the mountain because there's actually pretty big rumblings happening, and you can actually feel them, and they're sporadic. So we've decided to make our way back to the beach and head off the mountain. So that's the first time a volcano, this volcano's had some activity since September of last year, but it actually did erupt in 1970. So let's go. You can certainly see that the locals are starting to move. Bye. As you can see, it's a pretty decent amount of smoke coming off that volcano.